You're asking, this devotee is asking a question about the influence of the food we ingest on our level of consciousness. And the idea was presented by this devotee that if one becomes very high in consciousness, then whatever he contacts, he transforms that into Chinmoy, Chinmoy Vastu.
Exactly, precisely.
So we see the great Lord Shankara Mahadev, Nilakant. He's known as Nilakant. So Lord Shiv is of course one of the forms of Vishnu, is Sadashiva. He was asked by the demigods to drink the poison that was produced from the ocean of milk, interestingly enough. They're churning milk. Usually you churn milk, you get butter. You churn milk, you get cream. But somehow they churned milk and they got poison. Vish. Kalahuta or something like that. Kalahuta poison. Very, very powerful. Yeah, halakuta or something like that. Halakuta. So whatever was produced, the arrangement was whatever was produced from the Kir Samudra Mantan, the churning of the Kir Samudra. So either the demigods or the devas would have to take that offering or production from the ocean before they could continue churning. Because all those were superfluous to the final product that they were all hankering to get, which was the Amrit. Because all these things fall short if you have Amrit. Airava the elephant and the moon planet. Chandra, the moon planet, was produced from the milk ocean. That's why the moon is white. The moon is white because it's produced from milk. Tell that to the scientists. And then Airavata, the elephant with 6 tusks, 6 or 8 tusks, he came out very Vishesh Hati, and many jewels and some white umbrella, and even Lakshmi Devi herself, she came out. So many things came out.
14 things.
Maybe 14 things. And none of them, no, it's not there. None of them were what they wanted. And everyone had to take, so the Kaustuba money came out. So Vishnu took the Kaustuba, and that's his Nitya. It's just Leela to make it look like that, but Lakshmi is also Nitya Parishad. So Vishnu, naturally, he took the Kaustuba and then took the Lakshmi. So finally, and everyone's rejecting all these things. No one wants Airavata. Someone would take, Indra took Airavata, Vishnu took Lakshmi, and no one was interested because they had one thing in mind, they wanted the Amrit. Because if you have Amrit, you have everything. That's why they say that the holy name of Krishna is Amrit. Nam Amrit. If you have the Amrit, you have everything.